I'm Veronica Kilrain, and I'm excited today to be telling you about my newly released book called Walking in the Spirit. The genre of the book, it's a non-fiction book, and I've basically opened up personal stories from my own experiences in life and shared a spiritual parallel or a spiritual truth alongside of those stories. Who is the book for? Well, primarily it's for women, but certainly men can read it as well. Basically, it's that through the spiritual gift of prophecy, each and every one of us can access the heart of the Father. I really believe that prophecy has a very pertinent and practical application in our everyday lives as we're working at our faith journey as believers. See, I have the hard copies here. They've just arrived off the aeroplane from Hong Kong from my publisher, and New Nature Publications in Hong Kong are releasing the book, as I've said, on the 15th of March. And we're going to have a Kindle version also, and we will also have a PDF version, so you'll be able to access the book on all your electronic devices. So you can find us at www.newnaturepublications.com, or you can find me, Veronica Kilrain, at www.allthingsarepossible.com.au. All right, thanks so very much for your time. Bye-bye.